everyone, I'm Francis with IdeateTV. Today I'm here with Blake from A2 Milk. He is the CEO and has been here since the early days. So Blake, tell me a little bit about what A2 Milk is.
So there's two kinds of beta-casein proteins in milk, the A1 protein and the A2. And our founder, who was a New Zealand scientist, in the year 2000 discovered that there was a difference in how these proteins interact in the body. And what he found was that people that have digestive discomfort actually don't have it with the A2 protein like they have it with the A1 protein. So what we do is we go out and genetically test all of our cows in the farms to identify those cows that only produce the A2 protein. And then we use only that milk, and it makes all the difference in terms of digestion for consumers.
That's crazy interesting. How did you even get in this industry in the first place?
Well, for me, I've been in the consumer packaged goods industry, and I've been managing startup growth companies for 25 years. So the company approached me when I was running a different company. I found it to be a really compelling proposition because so often you're trying to market sort of a Me Too benefit as opposed to a real live natural benefit. This is a natural wonder. To have cows that only produce this protein, for me, it was a dream as a marketer and as a CEO that's been driving these companies to have a real benefit that you can communicate to consumers.
Has the education of this market been something that's been challenging? Like, how has the market taken to the fact that you have to educate on what it is?
Absolutely. Whenever you're developing a brand new proposition, you really do have to educate the consumer. It requires a lot of investment, a lot of research, understanding consumers, and then developing a communications platform that helps them to understand why they should give a damn. Why should they care about this A2 protein? And we're very pleased that we've been able to do that. We've gone from, when I started this company, we were in about 400 doors in a test market in California. Today, we're in roughly 30,000 doors across the country, every major retailer. And as you might see, we're launching new products at this show. Our core business has been fluid milk, and we're now starting to stretch beyond those boundaries, and we're really excited about the potential.
That is incredible. Congratulations. So if somebody wants to start something that does require education, what are your top 3 tips for them?
I think the first thing is it's consumer. Understand your consumer. Understand what's driving their needs. So that's the first thing, right? The second thing is you got to make sure that you create a compelling, your packaging is one of the most important things you can put on there because it's what the consumer is going to see, right? So you've got to make sure that's a very compelling message and that you get the communication out there. And the third is really you have to start developing good partnerships with retailers as you're launching this because your performance is really your sales story to the next retailer.
Yes, I know that well. And so if people want to find A2 Milk, they want to track you down, how can they find the product?
Well, you can find our A2 Milk products, and as I mentioned, in roughly 30,000 doors across the country. Every major retailer in the natural channel, every retailer in the conventional grocery channel, Walmart, Target, Costco, we're in all of those channels now.
Incredible. Thank you for your time. This was Francis with IdeateTV.